Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jenita from Kids Magic World. Today, I'm going to make a maze game in Scratch. First, choose a sprite that you like. I'm going to choose the chick. I'm changing the size to 80. Choose the stage, backdrops, choose the rectangle and choose any color you want. Now draw some rectangles for the maze. The rectangles are going to be the walls. You can do any different types of patterns. We are going to make the exit. Now go to the coding tab . Choose the block called Move 10 Steps. I have choose the point in direction 90 block. Now I have changed it into 180. When space key pressed, change it into when down arrow key is pressed. When I click the down arrow key, it goes down. Do the same by picking point direction 90. Now choose negative 90. Move 10 steps. When space key pressed. Change it into when left arrow key is pressed. Duplicate it. Choose as right arrow key. And change it into 90. Again duplicate it and change it into up arrow key and change it into 0. When you click the direction, there are 3 options. If you click this option, it will turn into like this. It will not get upside down. And there is an option called as left, right. If you click that, when you go left side, it will turn into left. If you go right side, it will turn into right. Go to the sensing. Choose the block called Touching Color. Select the eyedropper and choose the color of the walls. Because when you play, you can go through the walls, or else it can't be like a maze. Choose the if then block in the control area. Go to motion area and move negative 10 steps. If you go touch the wall, you will bump and get back. Go to the events area. When green flag, click block. And go to the control area and pick a forever loop. If you click the green flag, it will work like this. If you go into the wall, you will get bumped and get back. So you are able to do like this. Go to stage, backdrops, duplicate it, and you can make level 2 by using the same rectangles and making a different level by changing the size, rotating it, everything that you like. And the backdrop 1 will not go because you have duplicated it and using the second backdrop. Go to X, Y block. We want our chick to respawn on the top left corner. So if you place your chick over there and go to X, Y block, the number will be placed. And put it inside the forever loop if touching color. Next backdrop. See, when you touch the green color block, it went to the second level. If you finish the second level, it will go back to the level 1. You can do multiple levels like this. This is very easy and simple. Try this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Bye.